Hi, today we will look into this linear hanging LED light. It has 1 meter length and it's built by available materials. So assembly is so fast and it's a good idea for production. First, we have a C-ceiling profile with a square return. You can buy branches which are 3 or 4 meters. Okay, let's go around it. It's modern and minimal. Also, materials are not so expensive. We need diffuser sheet, wooden caps, suspension kit, canopy and LED hard strip. Please like and subscribe if this video is useful for you. For more guides you can also send me an email. Now we can see ceiling connection part or canopy with butterfly screws and suspension kit. In plan, at the end of the video you can see all materials with dimensions and with their photo. Okay, now linear light main parts, C-ceiling profile, black painted, wooden cap and LED strips. This light can be produced in different sizes, even with wooden body which I will put in my channel. We use this profile as a heatsink. Again, suspension kit. There are many ways to build a linear hanging LED light. You don't need to produce all parts of your products. You can purchase your parts which are coordinated with your design. That's finished. I will put more lighting designs in my channel for those who are interested. Thanks for watching. Bye.